Today I just wanted to walk through some of the products that we carry on the FUD wholesale side, and one of the categories is the DIY kits. And I love the DIY kits because you can build the project, and so it comes nicely packaged, and the pieces and instructions are included in the package, where you can sell these kits individually, or you can do them as a workshop. And what I love about the kits is when you actually build it, you feel there's like a feeling of accomplishment that, hey, I actually made this. And then what I love about the kits is that there's so many ways that you can finish it. And in this video, I like to show you just how you can take like new wood and make it aged. And you can do this by using different tools that you have even around your house. You can use like the point of scissors, like just to give like a little dent. You can do hammer, chains, screwdrivers, just anything that's going to give the wood some kind of pattern. I know some people have used like meat tenderizers and just different things just to make dents into the new wood. And what I love is when you put the APC wax over top of it, it just comes alive and the wax settles into the dents, and you just created like an aged look from new wood. And so yeah, it's a lot of fun and it's therapeutic if you're just going to town making dents into the wood. But I love it, and I hope that you take time today to create.